And now the turquoise or blue color words from the text will rest from grammar for the time being and take a look at the meaning of the words. The word supruga is actually a fancy or formal way of saying žena. So supruga means spouse, but for women. But you can always say žena for woman or wife. If you want to say supruga, but for man, it becomes suprug. So without the a letter at the end. Now, sinovi, that's the plural form of the word sons. What would be the singular form? That's sin. Sin, sinovi. Nažalost means unfortunately. If you like learning and you already have a lot of vocabulary in your head, then you probably know the opposite meaning of the word nažalost, or fortunately. The phrase is na sreću, so 2 words. Then zajedno means together. The opposite form is sam, alone. Braća means brothers, and that's the plural form of the word brat, brother. It's irregular, so it's important to memorize both forms, brat, braća. It is irregular, like for example, dete, deca, child, children. Now the phrase šire posao, the verb širiti is used. It means to spread, enlarge, expand. In the text, it's used in the context šire posao, they're expanding their business. If I tell you that the first form in the present tense is ja širim, it means that the present tense conjugation group is ie. So the rest of the forms are ti širiš, on širi, ona širi, ono širi, mi širimo, vi širite, oni šire, one šire, ona šire. So the word još means more or still. And you have to see in each situation and for each context what is the actual meaning. Trenutno means at the moment, so we can also use the word momentalno or sad, which means now.